Putting a few thousand couples together on Love Connection, you know that nothing kills romance faster than bad breath. Smart Mouth gets at the cause of bad breath without the burn, and you get clean breath for about 12 hours. Other mouthwashes only prevent bad breath for about an hour. Gum and mints, well, they're just pepper. Use Smart Mouth in the morning for great breath all day. Rinse in the evening, you can get some breath all night. You can even wake up without morning breath. Smart Mouth, for 12 hours of real clean breath. Look for the green box at your favorite store.
Are you single, looking to meet someone, but just too busy? No problem. You could meet the love of your life on an airplane. Say you're flying first class to Dubuque, seated next to a brunette who smells faintly of vanilla. You strike up a conversation, and by wheels down, you're engaged. And later, you win the lottery. Or you could call It's Just Lunch. Their dating experts will get you out on some real dates for some real fun, real fast. It's Just Lunch, the smarter way to date. Call 1-800-THE-DATE. That's 1-800-THE-DATE. When you're away for July 4th weekend, this is Bob Diener, president of GetAroom.com, and I've got some great deals for you. In Vegas, right on the Strip, the luxury suites at the Signature MGM, 40% off, $9 a night. In Miami, Delta, right on the beach, 25% off. In D.C., the Capital Skyline, 25% off. In New York City, the Helmsley Park Lane, 40% off. Go to GetAroom.com.
Are you looking forward to the return of musty odors, mold, and dampness in your basement and crawl space? Moisture from rain, floods, and humidity nourishes mold, dust mites, and pollutants. And with that comes asthmatic symptoms, sneezing, and coughing. It's time to replace your old dehumidifier with a smarter technology, Wave Ventilation, which will reduce humidity levels throughout the entire house, creating a healthier environment. Along with moisture and odors, it will also expel harmful gases and toxins. Wave is automatically controlled